You're thinking of buying the KingYou HD007 Bluetooth wireless headphones, and you're wondering, what do they come with? I'm going to be doing an unboxing today showing you just that, coming up. Hey everyone, this is Jeff from Everyday Tech Vids, where we take the mystery out of your cell phones, gadgets, tablets, gizmos, all the cool stuff you got running around, and we get you straightforward answers to your straightforward tech questions. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and like this video if it helps you out. Also, if I do mention any links or details, I will provide all of that in the description box below on YouTube, so you'll be able to find all that information in there. Today, we're doing an unboxing of the KingYou 007 HD Bluetooth headphones. This looks like a great little set of headphones. I'm really excited to kind of see what they come with, so let's jump right into it. So the first thing I noticed when I started taking these guys out of the box and everything was that the carrying case that it comes with had kind of a carbon fiber look to the outside, and it's actually a really nice little case. It felt pretty solid. It was a good quality case. Not that that's the end all be all, but it's just something that always jumps out at me with different electronics if they actually provide a nice case with it. After that, I grabbed out the manual, gave all the details of, the specifics of the headphones, charging practices, all that good stuff that you get with a new set of headphones. Also came with a little cleaning cloth. I've reviewed a few products of KingYou, and it's kind of cool. They just include a little microfiber cleaning cloth with each one of their headphones. Not a huge deal, but it's a nice little thing just so you can keep them clean. And since I believe these are actually shiny finish, not a matte finish, you might actually get fingerprints on them. So it'll be good to have a little cleaning cloth for them. The next thing it came with was an 1/8 inch cable. And actually I'm really excited that it comes with a headphone cable. Even some more expensive headphones that are wireless don't actually have the ability to work wired. Like you still have to have a charge to them. But if these die, from what I read online, I believe if they're dead, you can still just use them with a cord. That's kind of a nice thing because if you fit the cord into the case and carry it around with you, if for some reason you run out of juice and you can't charge up right away, you don't have to stop listening to your music. I think that's actually a really big benefit for these. Also, the KingYous use a micro USB charging port. It does come with a cable for it, which is just nice because it's a universal port. You can find extras anywhere. They're very, very universal. So you don't have to worry about losing the cable, because you can find them anywhere and get another one. And lastly, the headphones themselves. The first thing I noticed is that they're a shiny finish. They seem pretty solid. I mean, the plastic felt a little flimsy, but at the price point they're at, which I think is around 35 bucks, that's to be expected. The ear cushions were nice and plush though, so I really, really did like that. And just the overall design of these is really sharp. They look really, really great. It's not something I would ever feel weird about wearing out and about. I mean, they look great. Very stylish. On the side of the headphones, you will see the play button, pause button, fast forward and rewind. And then those are all, they kind of do double duty where they also work as the volume up and down. And in my full review, I might go over some of the buttons so that you guys can get an idea, but the manual does have a full breakdown of what you can do for like quick commands on those buttons. One of the first things, again, I am noticing is actually the build quality of the case is probably the nicest thing about these headphones. The headphones themselves, again, just kind of have a moderate to low end build quality. But that's to be expected in this price point. I will make a full review of these in probably just a couple weeks to give you guys an idea of what the sound is actually like once I've had some time to try them out and see what the sound is like. KingYou continues to surprise me for their price point. Again, I have to always preface with it's the price point. Headphones that are much more expensive will be much nicer, but what are you getting for this? What's your value that you're getting out of a very moderately priced set of headphones? My question of the day to you guys is, what has you thinking about getting these HD007s? Is it the nice price point? Is it that they have a nice long battery life, or at least they say they do? What has you drawn to the HD007s? Do keep an eye out in the next few weeks. I will post a full review of the headphones once I've had time to try them out and really see what I think. If you do have any questions, please comment in the comments below and I'll get back to you.